After carving one of his masterpieces, the statue of David, Michelangelo supposedly was asked, was it hard carving such an amazing statue? His reply, no, it wasn't hard at all. I simply removed anything from the marble that wasn't David. What might life be if instead of searching for happiness or working hard to be more innovative, you realize you already were those things? What if happiness and success are your natural state once you shed the drama?
I believe that with my entire heart.
What else would you add to that? I have here, why is that a little bit different than other approaches you've heard?
Yeah.
At least from my eyes, it's a little bit different way where you carve away drama than try and create happiness, so to speak. It seems a bit gentler and more doable, at least from my perspective. Anything else you'd add?
It really is. You know, and I would just say to people that the book, and many people, will have already read it, but it's different where it isn't like, I'm going to start a formula and I'm going to tell you like beginning to end, like how to do it. I intentionally, and Maren Shokir, who's a fabulous thought partner in my writing and the publisher, we instead made it more about like vignettes or, like lessons, like each chapter just is really standalone. And so the chapter on The Truth Will Set You Free actually revisits some of the work I did in my TEDx talk in Omaha. And it was really like the power of like these 3 questions, right? And so I introduced the questions, but I'm glad that you picked out like the kernel of this. When I look at what's worked for me and what hasn't worked for me, the conventional wisdom of improve yourself and then you'll be happy is all about like deferring happiness, like lose weight, then I'll be happy. Yes. Learn a new skill and get a promotion and then I'll be happy. And it just felt so violent towards self. I'm like, it starts on the premise that I'm flawed. Mm-hmm. Like I have to change myself in order to be happy. And it is like deferring happiness. And when I talk about happiness, I'm not talking about that fleeting emotion, like the weather that comes. I'm talking about just that general state.
I hear more balance.
Of contentment.
Like you're just kind of settled.
Yeah. But so many of us are led to believe like we're a self-help project. Like we don't deserve until we're better. And my mom used to say to me, Sai, you're perfect and you could stand some improvement, right? Like you're loved how you are and, keep evolving.